Anyone logging on to the Knox County Common Pleas Court website will see this page. The old website has moved and gotten a facelift.
The website has only been up since I became clerk in 1999. That was one of the first things I did, was put the records online. And that was for people that use these records on a day-to-day basis, use them more than 8 to 4. If someone has filed for a divorce or a dissolution, you will just see that it's been filed. You will not be able to read that document online for a public viewing. For an attorney or a judge or the prosecuting attorney that works with these files on a day-to-day basis, the advantage of this new software package, which involves scanning, will allow them to pull up the entire document and read it.
Hawkins also addressed the practice of making Social Security numbers available online.
At extensive education through the Clerk of Courts Association on Social Security numbers, what can be redacted, what the Supreme Court suggests that you redact from the documents that are filed. It has always been the policy that once a document is filed here, my office as a clerk of courts, we have no authority to change anything that's filed. You can go to the CourtView website, if I could spell it right, and you can type in a last name. You don't need a first name. You don't need a company. You can just type in a name and you can do a search. And what it will show are any cases listed under that name. And then it will actually show you the docket sheet. And that's just a summary of what's filed. It tells you the date that's filed, what's been filed. For instance, this says notice of dismissal. You will see a summary, an answer. This will say answer of defendant Mary Jo Hawkins, Knox County Clerk of Courts. You'll see that an answer has been filed, but if you want to read that particular pleading, you will need to come into the office to view that.
This is George Breithaupt reporting for MountVernonNews.com.